you've ever wanted to do more healthy meal prep for your family or just get started in the first place, but you're concerned about how much time it takes, how much time is it going to be devoted in the kitchen or going to the grocery store or the actual prepping of the food? I mean, meal prep, that's like preparing food, right? How much time is that going to take? You know what, my friend? This video series is for you because inside this series of 6 videos, I'm going to be teaching you my short and simple, very quick, proven ways that you can do healthy meal prep for your family, okay? I'm all about efficiency. So if you like efficiency and you like getting the most amount done in the least amount of time with the biggest impact, then you are in the right place. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia Jones. If I haven't met you yet, make sure you go ahead and share this video with someone that you know is also wanting to meal prep more for their family, or they're just getting started on their journey and they're like, I gotta start saving some money because I'm doing takeout all the time. How can I get some meal prep ideas? Go ahead and share this video with them. This is video 5 of a 6-part series, okay? First 2 strategies we went over were batching and layering. Videos 3 and 4, I showed you pictures literally of what I do in the kitchen. I even showed you how I get my boys involved. So today I'm gonna dive into that topic of getting help. Okay, so strategy, this is video 5, strategy 5 is getting help. Now, what does that look like? Well, that means teaching your family that healthy eating is important. Now, I know you might be saying, but Alicia, they're too busy. They're already at sports, or they don't care, or they, you know what? That's okay, but you are the mom, okay? You, my friend, have the power, have the influence, it's like the thermostat of the home, right? or like lights on a dimmer switch. You know, when the mom can set the tone, if you will, for the family, like the temperature or the lights in the room. As a woman, you can set that for your family. So I wanted to share with you today, first of all, just start talking to your family about it if you haven't already. Hey, you know, being healthy is important. We're just gonna go for nutrition and healthy little tiny habits. You know, you don't need to overhaul. I'd actually recommend that you don't overhaul. It's hard to maintain. Do little bits at a time. So here are some ideas for you of how you can get your family involved. First of all, just start talking to them about it. Little bits of education. Second of all, ask them for small bits of help like this. Oh, go ahead and grab the cookies for me from the fridge. Okay, so your little kiddo can go over here and grab you cookies, or your big kiddo, whatever age your kids are. Okay, so idea number 2 is ask for small bits of help. Now that is really cool because over time, guess what happens? It builds. And they're more willing to help you over time if they're not already, okay? So ask for small bits of help. That's number 2. All right, number 3 is to actually have them help you with creating plates. If you can get them involved with, oh, hey, what do you want for dinner tonight? Hey, show them some recipes. This is a great book. If you don't already have it, I'll put the link below for you in the video. Hey, which recipe do you like? So tip 3 is get them involved with choosing the actual meals or the recipes. Oh, you know what? I think those meatballs look really good. Hey, Mom, can we have those? Cool, because you've got their buy-in right there. You want to train them and you want to get their buy-in, okay? That's what I found to be most effective. Let me know, curious, put some emojis down below in the conversation of this video if you've seen that with your own family where you're like, yeah, I gotta kind of get their buy-in for things, okay? You know, hey, oh, you know, I think I'd rather have the brownies. Okay, cool. Well, whatever, at least you have ideas. And so this is a great resource. It's Hidden Veggie plus Protein, Macronutrient Balance. Super awesome, easy, kid approved, okay? So you can grab that below this video. So that is tip number 3, is to get their buy-in in terms of recipes. Number 4 is to start experimenting with getting groceries delivered if you're just cooking for yourself, or if your family is not able or willing to help yet, okay? Get groceries delivered to save yourself some time when it comes to meal prep. That way you don't have to run out to the grocery store every couple days when your produce starts going bad. If you get it delivered, that saved me a lot of time. And that way I can devote my time to something else. Other people for help. Sometimes it just takes, if your neighbors are around, or if your kiddos, you know, if they can watch your kiddos for even 30 minutes, you'd be surprised at how much you can get done in 30 minutes by yourself if you need to. Okay, so I hope these tips were helpful. The whole strategy today is about getting help, getting involved. Quick review for you today. I just want you to get these little tangible takeaways. Is start talking to your family about it. Ask for little bits of help at a time. Have them help you pick recipes. start getting your groceries delivered, and ask for help from other people if you need to send your kids outside, have them play with your neighbors for a couple minutes while you get dinner prepared. That can help a lot. So I hope today of the getting involved and getting help strategy is helpful. Go ahead and drop a hashtag value in the conversation of this video if this was helpful for you, and I will see you for our last and final strategy in video 6. See you then. Bye.